Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Monzo PIN. First, open a browser and search for Monzo app. Click the first result and you'll land on Monzo help page. Scroll down and find the Monzo card and PIN section. Tap it. Then scroll until you see changing your PIN. To change your PIN, go to any major UK cash machine like Barclays, HSBHC, or Lloyds. At the ATM, insert your Monzo card, choose PIN services, select Change PIN. Note: PIN changes may not work at machines outside the UK, so use a UK ATM if possible. And that's it. That's how to change your Monzo PIN. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.